Hello, welcome to Hornets TV. I'm Teacher Suryati. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to make a mummy. Okay, today we are going to see how to make a mummy, Unit 3, in the past, English Year 4. First, Egyptians washed the dead body in wine and Nile water. Then, they pull out all useless organs except the heart. Egyptians used salt to cover up the body. They left it for about 40 days to dry out completely. They wrap up the body in fine linen bandage. Sometimes, Egyptians painted a face on mummies. When the wrapping was all done, they put the mummy in a coffin. Then, they put mummies in pyramids. Do you know, Egyptians also made mummies of cats. Before we proceed with some exercises, let's watch this video together. Okay then, till we meet again in our next lesson. Do better, be the best. Bye!